Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 4 p.m. time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as many of you are not subscribed. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I do a live stream looking at other people's cooking videos. All right, let's get into this. This is the Captain Morgan Chicken Nachos. As you can see here, I've got some shredded chicken that I'm placing on some nachos I cooked up. I made these nachos by quartering corn tortillas. They're the street taco tortillas from Mission, or just find the smallest corn tortillas you can find. And then in about 350 degree oil, I fried them up for a couple of minutes. You could do this in the air fryer maybe, but this is one of the things. Use the oil. I mean, chips are never going to be healthy anyway. And then the seasoning for the chips was just a simple bit of salt and pepper. And then before we pop these into a 350 degree oven, I'm just going to add some shredded cheese. This is just a pepper jack cheddar blend. You can use whatever you like. And then I'm going to add some bacon to this, because bacon makes everything better. And then you just want to pop this into that oven that's preheating till the cheese is melty, ooey, and gooey and wonderful. About 5 to 10 minutes. And as you can see here, our nachos are done. And now it's time to drizzle our Captain Morgan barbecue sauce all over it. If you want to know how to make this barbecue sauce, link is in the description below. It is from my Captain Morgan quarter pounder video. And then just some chopped up fire roasted tomatoes to finish it off. And that's that. Captain Morgan's barbecue chicken nachos. Done.